Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Langar Singh College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about heterocyclic chemistry, especially pyridine. In last video, I have already discussed about introduction or introductory part of heterocyclic chemistry. So let us start with specific groups pyridine. So you know the structure of pyridine. You always give the positions 1 to these nitrogens. These values showing the bond length. So 1.34 angstrom, this is the unit of bonds. 3, 9 and 4 means all three bonds are not same. That is very important point. Now the dipole moment directions. You see dipole moment from here to here means nitrogen side. Isoelectronics with and analogous to benzene. It look like benzene. If you replace one carbon with nitrogen, then it become pyridine. Stable, not easily oxidized at carbon, means carbon, this carbon, there is 5 carbon, so it is not easily undergoing oxidations, undergo substitution rather than additions. That is also very important point. Like benzene. Minus I effect means what? Inductive electron withdrawal or inductive. Minus M effect. So you can look at this resonating form. So negative charge on nitrogens, positive charge on this carbon and this carbon. You see, negative charge, positive charge, positive charge. Weakly basic in water. Pyridinium salt are also aromatic. Ring carbons are more delta positive than in parent pyridine. You see here, nitrogen contains lone pair of electrons. So it gives lone pair through the coordinate forming this and so on, forming the resonance. So how this ring will synthesize? There is a hunch synthesis. I already discussed about 5 plus 1 meaning. Okay, 1 will come from different sources and 5 will come from different sources. So up to now here you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the meaning of 5. And introductions here nitrogens, then it become 1 and you will get this product. So starting from this positive 1, positive 3 and here you will get this products, acid condensations and dehydrations, and you see alpha beta unsaturated ketones, and this is CO minus enol that undergo Michael additions. That one is also very important reactions, and then undergo cyclization in presence of ammonia. And now you see this is the ring, and on oxidations in the presence of nitric acid, substituted pyridine ring is obtained. You see, substitution. A lot of functionality, but the ring is this. Now, The reaction is useful for the synthesis of symmetrical pyridines. The 1,4-diketones intermediate can be isolated in certain circumstances. A separate oxidation reaction is required to aromatize the dihydropyridine. Now, look at this scheme. From the enamines or enamine equivalents, Guerreschi synthesis 3 plus 3. So start from here. This is positive, positive. This is 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2, 3. So 3, 3 plus, you will get this ring, substituted pyridine ring, and this is also substituted pyridine. The beta cyanoamide can exist in the enol form. You see, enol form, NHCO. Now using cycloaddition reaction, 4 plus 2. You know very well Diels-Alder reactions, cycloadditions. So 4 part and 2 part. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 from here will form this adduct and undergo rearrangement. That's it, you will get this pyridine, substituted pyridine. Oxazole are sufficiently low in aromatic character to react the Diels-Alder reactions. This is oxazole. Now pyridines electrophilic reactions. You can see this is alpha positions, beta position, gamma positions. Attack electrophiles in any positions. So what will happen if you have E plus? Then it will attack on these nitrogens, and again if E plus, then where it will go, you have to decide. Then minus E, then substitute product. So pathway for the electrophilic aromatic substitution of pyridine. The position of equilibrium between the pyridine and pyridinium salt depends on, this is pyridinium salt, depends on the substitutions pattern and nature of the substituents, but usually favors the salt. Pyridine electrophilic reactions. Chemical outcomes of electrophilic substitution of pyridines. This is pyridine alpha, this is 2 positions, this is beta, this is 3 positions. So at 2 position you can see positive charge on nitrogens. So keep this structure in your mind. In beta position, third, there is no positive charge on nitrogens. You see nitrogen, nitrogen, nitrogen. Here in gamma positions, again there is a positive charge on nitrogen. So which one is more favorable? This structure disfavor alpha and gamma, but beta means 3 position is favorable, because when you are writing resonating structure, there is no positive charge on nitrogens. Resonance formed with a positive charge on nitrogens, 6 electrons, are very unfavorable. Beta substituent intermediate and the transition state leading to this product have more stable resonance form than the intermediate transitions state leading to alpha gamma product. Now let us consider electrophilic reactions on pyridine. So this is pyridinium beta positions. You see, positive charge, positive charge, positive charge at beta positions, because this one is our focusing point. I make this one pyridinium and then attack another electrophile. Now you can see pyridinium alpha positions, now 2 positive charge, 2 positive charge. So regiochemical control is even more pronounced in the case of pyridinium ions. In both pyridine and pyridinium system, beta substitution is favored. Which one? Beta substitution. This one. But the reaction is slowest than that of benzene. Reaction will usually proceed through the small amount of free pyridine available. Now you see, N substitutions. N substitution means what? You see, this is pyridine, nitrogen. So if reaction occurs on nitrogen, then we are saying N substitution. Methyl iodide, you see, BF4NO3, you can see this counter, BF4 counter ion, acylations, Cl minus counter ion. So positive charge is there, so you need the counter ion. Now C substitution. C substitution means what? There is a 5 carbon. So reactions on carbon. Reaction at carbon is usually difficult and slow, requiring forcing conditions. Friedel-Crafts reactions are not usually possible on free pyridines. So nitrations of pyridine, you can see at 3 positions. You see nitrations, pyridinium, and then 3 positions nitration occurs. This is the counter ion, 3 positions. So multiple electrons donating groups accelerate the reactions. Both reactions proceed at similar rates, which indicates that the protonations at N occurs prior to the nitrogen in the first phase. You see, first this one and then this product, 90%. So pyridine electrophilic reactions, sulfonations, you see 3 positions. So it will direct go or in this pathway. Now low yield from the direct nitration but good yield via mercury intermediates. You see via mercury intermediates, good yield. Halogenation of pyridine, you see 3 positions, 3 positions. Reductions, pyridine H2 platinum in acetic acid, complete reductions, partially reductions, partially reduction. So pyridine generally resists oxidation at ring carbon atom and will often undergo side chain oxidation in the preference to oxidation of the ring. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, share it with a friend. Thanks for watching.